Okay, let's do 11.4 here, the calculus cubic question here, cubic equation. Here we go. Determine the equation of the tangent to f at the point 311. Let's go down to 311. What do they mean? Tangent. I mean it's one line, like this green line here, that touches the point just in one spot here. What's the equation of that line? Well, when we find the derivative, we've got a powerful tool for helping us find the gradient at any x value. And if we want to find the equation of a line, we need the form of y equals mx plus c. But we can find m. All we have to do is take the derivative and put in 3, and that will give us the gradient right there. So there's the derivative. We have to find f prime of 3. We just put 3 in for x in the derivative equation. So we've got 3 squared times 6 is 54, minus 18 minus 12. Well, that's 54 minus 30. That means the gradient is 24. So y equals mx plus c. It's got to be y equals 24x plus c. But hey, we've got a y value and we've got an x value. We can put in the x value of 3 and the y value of 11, and then we'll have c. So that's 72. 11 minus 72 gives us c. c is minus 61. Now we're ready to write the equation of the tangent line. Y equals the gradient 24x minus 61. The c, the y-intercept. There we go. That's that one all done. That's the equation of that green little tangent line in the picture there. Let's try 11.4. Now, these people find these really difficult, and I used to do them in a difficult way until Mrs. Vall showed me an easy way to do it. It says, for which values of k does f of x equal k have 3 distinct roots? Well, if k is 0, if it's 0, we know exactly what the roots are that make it 0. There's 2 roots right here. One here, and it just touches right here. It's got exactly 2 roots here. But if I go up a little bit here, I see it's 3 roots. Anything with k is greater than 0. So, in fact, we go all the way up here. We've still got 3. We still got 3. But right at k equals 27, it's got 2 roots. Because, see, it hits right here, and it hits right here. So our answer is all our answer is that k, I did this from another question when I had the wrong deal here, is that k's got to be less than 27, but bigger than 0. And that's our answer. So that's all we do. We go k is less than 27. So let's write that in there. K is less than 27, but greater, less than 27, but greater than 0. That's where it hits in exactly 3 places. Now the next question, it looks hard to some people, but it's crazy easy. You've got this function, and this is f of x. If you add 1, what happens to the stationary points? Well, there's a stationary point, minus 1 and 27. If you add 1, everything just goes up 1. So instead of 27, you add 1 and make it 28. And that's your answer. Instead of 2 and 0, you add 1 and make it 2 and 1. It says add 1, so just add 1. Everything moves up 1, and hey, that maybe it's the easiest 2 marks. But if you don't know what they're asking, I guess it's not so easy. Okay.